So guys, I told you that there are a lot of monkeys here, and I told you also that I wanted to show you a trail, guys. A trail. So yes, I will show you that. And see, there's one monkey right there also. And like at 10 o'clock in the morning or something, monkeys all gather around, which is pretty cool. So guys, now we are currently going to the trail. This is the chapel based on Noah's Ark, and let's go. As you can see, it's really beautiful, and that is the trail. So as you can see, this right now is the trail, and it also has a pretty cool flower which I really like, but I don't know the name. I forgot the name of it. This is a flower. So guys, as you can see, there are really big trees, and it's really cool. As you can see, this is basically a different type of like what do you call, and this is like a different type of forest and woods. And let me show you natural moss. Guys, here you can literally see natural moss. So this is natural moss. As you can see, it's pretty rare. It only comes mostly in like rainforests. So it's pretty really cool, guys. Natural moss. And let me show you a tea estate also. We can see a bench which was created for people who come here to sit. This is pretty cool. And sometimes even monkeys come here. Today morning I just came here and I literally saw a monkey here. Guys, just check this out. This is a literal... Is this a tea estate, Daddy?
Yes.
This is a tea estate. Oh my god, you look like Moses with a stick. This is really cool. As you can see, there's just a tea estate right beside us, which is pretty cool. And look at this really big tree, guys. Oh my god, this is one of the biggest trees I've ever seen, with really big logs. And guys, so see this moss and all. We're heading back to our room, but you can literally check, there are a few logs there. It looks like they're cutting some logs also, which is pretty cool. Maybe that's to develop the area more. The logs are really cool. And guys, let me know if you have ever come to this type of place. Let me know, guys. So huge rocks. And by the way, fun fact, in these type of places saprotrops grow. Saprotrops are the plants which grow on the dead and decay. Oh my god, so many monkeys. Beautiful. Look at this playground.